Right, good afternoon YouTube. No wind, and then all of a sudden you get the camera out, you get the wind. Okay, so we're off out to the Ghost Hotel in Lanzarote. We're in Playa Blanca. As you come down, there's Montana Roca in the background. You've got these roads coming down here from the mountain or coastway. You come up this way, and then you see the sign there, Protection Civil. Okay, so then the road looks like that then all the way across to the Ghost Hotel. Legend has it, there's a couple of things what happened to this hotel. The hotel was abandoned back in the 70s, so there's three I don't know, variants of what happened. One, it was supposed to be a golf course, and then they realized that turning this ground into lush green grass was beyond the realms of possibility. Second one was there was two brothers and they had a falling out, and funds were missing. And the third one was a planning permission. But if you want to know any more information on the Ghost Hotel or Lanzarote's abandoned hotel, just Google it and it'll pick it up. So we're going to cycle out and have a look. Okay, if you do come out by car, obviously it might be a rental car. I don't know if they'll approve, but it is very bumpy with big rocks. Yeah, some smaller cars might even bottom out, so you're going to have to watch your sump. But if not, get on a bike. Right guys, we made out to the Ghost Hotel. So I'll give you a look. All the rains that we had, there's still standing water out here. It was biblical. The rain that we had was well, I've never seen anything like it, and neither did anybody for 25 years out here. But yeah, you should be able to ride through here. And now the hotel's got a moat. So I'll stick you back on the chesty and we'll do a loop and then we'll come back. There are holes in the fences, but I'm not going to break them. Fences are there for a reason, and I'm not here to break the road. Okay, got a little bit of a platform. See if we can get the drone up. Okay guys, we flew the drone, got some footage, and we're going to head back now. We're going to take that road. Right, unfortunately guys, the wind has picked right up, so I'm not going to fly the drone. It'd just be too dodgy. That was a nice cycle out, so we're just going to head home now. I'm getting quite hungry and thirsty. So enjoy the ride home with the dusty tracks. Thanks for watching, and catch you on the next one. Ugh. My legs feel like jelly. Anyway, from a week of cycling and this extra soft ground doesn't help. I said this would have been, I'll drop you down, as you can see with the rains, the way the water went, totally washed down the bedrock. Definitely missing my e-bike out here. Some ruts.